Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn headline optimization using AI prompts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile photo in the top right corner. Once on your profile page, locate the edit button near your headline. Click on the edit button to open the editing options for your profile. Now, focus on crafting your headline. Open a new tab and access an AI prompt generator or text tool. Type in your current LinkedIn headline or relevant keywords that describe your professional role. Request AI-generated suggestions that can optimize your headline for better visibility. Review the suggestions provided by the AI. Select the options that resonate best with your professional identity and career goals. Copy your chosen option or modify it to better fit your style. Return to the LinkedIn Editing tab. Paste your optimized headline into the headline field. Make sure it aligns with your personal brand and the positions you're targeting. Verify that your headline includes relevant keywords for your industry. Once satisfied, scroll down and click the Save button to apply changes. Refresh your profile page to see your new headline in action. Consider revisiting the AI tool for future headline updates as your career progresses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.